Hi everyone, Natasha here, and around my home today I am in my kitchen on a very cold and windy fall day. I'm very excited because my mailman just came to the door with a special package, and it is my November Joyful Jordan box. So even though it is October, because I earned Green by 15 this month, which means thank you to all of my loyal customers, I was able to get $500 in sales by the 15th of the month. And so I got to order the Joyful Jordan box for November for free, and I got it shipped to me early. So without further ado, let's take a look. So the Joyful Jordan box, as you know, is a subscription box. It's a little box of joy. It says open a little joy from Jordan Essentials, and it can ship out every month. It says hey there. You can also just try it one time. It's $25, and if you do sign up for the subscription, then your shipping is free. So I have not seen this. I'm opening it with you for the first time, and I'm excited to see what we have. So for the month of November, of course, the theme is gratitude. So this says, sharing a moment of gratitude because of who you are. For you are fearfully and wonderfully made, and that's from Psalm 139, verse 14. So I'm catching a peek of some really interesting things. And this card, there's a card in each box which will have either a verse or just a fun little quote that you can frame or give with the gift on one side. And when we turn it over, oh my goodness, look at all of this good stuff in here. Okay, so this box is chock full of all kinds of things. So it looks like we have Cranberry Lip Butter. Let me find that. So we do have lip butters in our regular catalog. Look at that cute packaging with the cranberries on it. I love our little lip balms like this. I keep them all over. I have one in my purse, one in my car, one at my desk, one at my nightstand, one in the kitchen desk drawer. They just kind of go all over with me. So it says the Cranberry Lip Butter, your lips will love this healthy ingredient lip balm with the sweet smell of cranberry. Use daily for smooth, soft lips. And of course, Jordan Essentials is all non-toxic, healthy, botanically based ingredients. So that is a good one. I'll nestle that back down there with those biodegradable peanuts. Then let's go to the Pear Spice Soap. So it says French milled, long-lasting bar soap, the fragrance of spiced pears and the cleansing nature of a French milled soap will bring sweet, warm fragrance to your holidays. So let's see if that's, here is my Pear Spice soap. So that alone would be a really cute gift. I was just looking at all these goodies in here and thinking you could gift the whole box to someone, but you could also break this up into some smaller gifts. And I'm going to take a sniff test. Oh my goodness. I wish you could smell it. That is so lovely. It has a little spice, just a little fruitiness, but I would say it's a really nice balanced scent. I love the cute little label, and it comes all ready to go, so you could just package it up and use it just like this. I think I'm going to open mine because I want to see the bar on the inside. Inside this little paper bag is this beautiful French milled bar of soap, and oh my goodness, I cannot wait to use this. We're going to use this in the shower as soon as our current bar of soap runs out, which is probably our charcoal tea tree oil soap, or it could be the Sea Spa soap. I can't remember which one we're on right now, but this is a lovely scent for the holidays, so I'm excited to start using that. I'm already thinking ahead that I might need to get a few boxes to be able to break them up into some smaller gifts. So you could even pair these two together, or just the soap by itself in a cute little gift bag would be nice. So let's see what else we have. Oatmeal Milk and Honey Shea Body Butter, which is a classic. Our Shea Body Butter is so rich in emollient. I just love it. So it says, helps eliminate dry, ashy, and damaged skin while moisturizing all at the same time. And I'm going to go ahead and open this one so you can see just how rich and thick it is. Oatmeal Milk and Honey is our classic scent. It's been around forever. It's the one I fell in love with when I first discovered Jordan Essentials, which was actually called Country Bunny at the time. So it'll come sealed, and you can see it's just a very thick and rich lotion with that shea butter, and It'll soak into your skin. It helps moisturize and heal. I love it for all the extra dry places like heels and knees and elbows, but it's a great all over body lotion. It's excellent for your hands, especially if you're washing your hands a lot, or just as we go into the fall season and winter season where the air is a little more dry. Then this shea butter is a really nice lotion to have. So again, gift that by itself or break it up. Either way is good. And then the final item here is this cute little label here, which says it's our brown sugar and fig diffuser oil. So enjoy this reed diffuser to add a warm holiday fragrance to your home, best used in smaller spaces like a desk, bathroom, or kitchen. Just remove the lid and insert the reeds. Flip daily for more fragrance. Ooh, you know what I think I'm going to do with this is bring it into my office. Here's the little reeds. I think I will go ahead and take a peek. I think this would be so nice at the office just to sort of get us in the spirit of the fall and holidays. I'm going to take off that little bit of tape there and see here. Just, oh my goodness, that smells so good. The sugar, the brown sugar scent, and then the little bit of fig for that kind of fruity undertone. Again, just another really nice holiday scent. So I am excited to be using that. Again, you could just gift that by itself or use it all together. And I just looked it up, and the value on this box is $37.50. So for $25, you're getting a really nice collection of some wonderful, get those all to sit in there, some wonderful holiday scented products. It is indeed a little box of awesomeness, and I am super excited to start thinking about the people on my gift list and what products I'm going to keep for myself. And like I said, I'll probably get a couple of these boxes and break them up into a few different gifts. So that is your November Joyful Jordan box. I will link everything down below, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. But otherwise, thanks for joining me today. I hope you have a great day, and I will look forward to seeing you next time. Bye-bye.